How to collaborate on Instagram in computer. For that, first of all, open any browser you have on your device and then on the searching bar search for instagram.com and make sure that you have logged into your account. On the left side, you will see a lot of options. Among them, you will choose create and select a photo or video that you want to collaborate with and hit on next. Once you select that, on the top right you will see next button. Simply tap on it. From here you can also add filters and again hit on the next from the top right. Then if you click on the photo, there you will see tag option. Simply tag the collaborator and then you are good to go. In this way you can easily collaborate on Instagram in your computer or laptop. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.